All right, we're gonna do a walk around here on my 98 F-150 welding rig. Got a rigid box. A DeWalt air compressor. Pumps up to 150 psi. I think it's a 20 gallon, somewhere about there. Got a toolbox here. We keep gauges and stuff in there. The gauges come with the rig. Some miscellaneous tools. Got the bottles here. Clamshell. Hosed over to the reel on the opposing side, and they're bolted in there. They came out pretty easy. Here's the truck itself. It's got the third door. Hey Derek, you want to go up there and open up the door for me? We'll take a peek at the inside real quick. That's Derek. He's not for sale. Okay, let's see if we can get anything decent with the lighting here. So. And there's a piece of paper on there from cleaning. The seats. Let me see this real quick. The seats become a steel flat bed kind of for tools and whatnot. Let me get that rag out of there. Oh, look how the junks came out. Alright, seat comes back. Let me get a shot at the dashboard. It's got some nicks and scratches and whatnot. Steering wheel cover, it's a little rough. Pretty good. Don't really see any visible rips on the stuff there. I'll take a walk around front, have Derek start it up. Let me move back a little bit here. Go ahead and start up, Derek, and then we'll pop the hood. Wait 1 second on popping the hood so I can get a view of the front. It's got a little bit of overspray on it. Got one area here on the paint. It's kind of chipped up a little bit. Take a walk down this side real quick. So I got a Ranger 8 on this side. I forgot to be checking the tire treads and whatnot. These tires get some Bigfoot. Here I'm guessing we probably got about 75 foot of lead with a magnetic ground clamp, 200 amp stinger. Got my spare tire mounted there. Got a retractable extension cord there. I plug right into the generator. Let me go ahead and start this up. Give a quick view on this thing. It's got you can hook it up 15 25 volts for your suitcase welder, or DC for TIG or stick. Let's see here. Got 1968 hours on it. Auto idle. 220. 4 110 outlets. I'm gonna start it up real quick. Quick disconnects for oxyacetylene on a retractable reel. Also for my air hose. Got a removable back. This guy here comes off. Reverse lights, tail lights. Got a hitch on there. A little bit of room in the back. Truck rack up there. We got a little bit of steel on there right now. Alright, let's take a look at the engine. Let me turn this off. Derek's going to pop the hood here. Rev it up a little bit. 5.4 V8. It's been really good. There's one little dent on the door over here. Probably get close to it, you can take a look.